Okay, now let's take a look at megagametogenesis. Megagametogenesis starts off in the ovule, which is inside the ovary, which is inside the carpel. You remember all of this, right? But inside the ovule, the walls of the ovule support the production of something called a megaspore mother cell. Megaspore, and I'll just abbreviate mother cell, MC. So this is a cell inside the ovule. It's a diploid cell, and it's going to undergo meiosis. To produce 4 cells. And I put an N inside each of those 4 cells to remind us that all 4 of these cells are haploid, which is the result of meiosis. Now, what happens next is that 3 of these 4 cells disintegrate, which I'll show with an X through them, leaving only 3 megaspores die and 1 remains. This remaining megaspore divides once by mitosis to produce 2 cells, and then divides again by mitosis to form 4 cells. These are all inside an embryo sac, by the way, so I better draw that. And the embryo sac's inside the ovule. So that's 1 mitosis. And then there's a second mitosis. And then finally a third mitosis. Third, I'll just abbreviate it MIT, to form an embryo sac with 8 cells in it. And they're arranged in a particular way. 3 cells at the top that are called antipodal cells, A-N-T-I-P-O-D-A-L. These 3 cells, antipodal cells, we won't talk about them anymore, but now you know their name. 2 cells in the middle that are called polar nuclei, that you've probably heard of before, P-O-L-A-R nuclei. And then 3 cells at the bottom. The one in the middle is the egg. That's the egg cell. And then on either side of the egg, flanking the egg, are 2 cells called synergids. S-Y-N-E-R-G-I-D. 2 synergid cells. 8 cells, the result of 3 mitotic divisions of the original megaspore. 1, 2, 3 mitotic divisions, 8 cells, and the 3 most important cells in that embryo sac, now the egg sac, are the egg, which is here, and the 2 polar bodies, because when the fusion stage happens, when the pollen tube delivers the 2 sperm, one of those sperm is going to fuse here with the egg cell to form the zygote. The other sperm is going to fuse with the polar bodies to form the triploid endosperm.